We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Teaching might be what you do for work, but it can include plenty of fun times. Teaching was definitely the right career path for me. I love it, and I have a lot of fun doing it. Find reasons to smile during the day, and teaching will be a rewarding and fun experience. 10 reasons why teaching is fun, Magoosh for schools.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.